When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough, so I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash, I just make sure.
Alright, what's up everyone? Don't mind the hair, just got out of the shower. But today we're going to be filming a video, probably just going to be practicing some combos and stuff. But my brakes don't work too well. I want everyone to go to Bernie's Bicycle's Instagram and tell them Stefan needs a Shimano XT brake. And yeah, that's it. We're just going to ride some combos, or do some combos and stuff.
I'm on your right.
Alright. That's the end of this video.
Why is it recording me, man?
I don't know.
Alright.
Thanks for watching, and see you too.
Yeah, stop.